Mahaganathipataye. Good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening, good evening. Good evening to everyone and Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. Yes. Question number 27. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. I think everyone knows it. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. That is a basic problem and I am not going to touch that one. Okay. So there is a problem on the board. Kindly go through it, children. Required to prove is equal to BP. BP equal to BQ. BP equal to BQ. We need to prove that. Yes. Any ideas from your side? Good evening, Moksha. We need to prove BP equal to BQ. Given AOB is diameter and PQ is tangent at Q. Angle ACB, AQB 90. Why? Why angle AQB 90? Reason? Angle in a semicircle. Good. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Now, so this is 30, 90. This is 120. Then this will be 60. Angle ABQ 60. Okay. If angle ABQ 60, QBP how much? QBP. 120. 120. Good. Now, what else to prove? What else to prove? Keep required to prove in the mind, children. Keep required to prove in the mind. Okay. We need to prove BP equal to BQ. And we got angle QBP is 120. So for that, what is enough to prove? Sir, angle BPQ equal to 30. BPQ equal to that alternate segment theorem अने concept లేదు రిత్విక్. Alternate segment theorem అనే concept లేదు. It is out of syllabus. Angle BQP 30. How? How it is 30? Shyam. Okay. Join OQ. This is construction. Join OQ. We know OQ is radius and PQ is tangent. We know radius is perpendicular to the tangent at their point of contact. So this angle is 90. Okay. Now, triangle BOQ. Triangle BOQ. OB is equal to OQ, na? Then this angle will be 60 degrees. Is that right? Triangle BOQ. OB is equal to OQ radii. Is it okay now? Yeah. Now, in triangle BQP, 120 plus 30, 150, then this angle will be 30. So, triangle BQP is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. So these two sides are equal. BQ is equal to BP. BQ is equal to BP. Okay, na? Once again, see. Join OQ. Angle OQP 90 degrees. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Angle OQP. But angle OQB is 60 degrees. Angle OQB 60. Why? OQ and OB are equal, na? So if this is 60, this is also 60. So this angle is 60 and this total angle is 90. Then this will be 30. 120 plus 30, 150, then this will be 30. Okay? So BP equal to BQ. Next question. In the given figure, AB, BC, CD, DA are tangents to a circle with center O forming a quadrilateral ABCD. Show that angle AOB plus angle COD is 180. Circle A, B, C, D. O is the center of the circle. What we have to prove? Yeah. Required to prove is angle AOB is equal to plus angle COD is 180. Angle AOB plus angle COD is 180. Okay, now how to do this? Anyone? Join all the radii. Very good. And I am naming these angles as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, children, what can you say about angle 1 and angle 2? Angle 1 and an angle 2. I am naming this as P, Q, R, S. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Is that right? Why? Because angle AOS, triangle AOS and AOP are congruent. Triangle AOS and triangle AOP are congruent. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOS. Okay. In the same way, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 7 is equal to angle 8. And you have to write the reasons over here. Don't forget. Don't forget to write the reasons. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4? Angle 7 plus angle 8, how much? 360. Any reason? Any reason? Yeah, 360, right, complete angle. Now, what I'll do is, I'll try to convert all the angles in terms of 2 and 3, 6 and 7. Because I have to prove angle AOB plus angle COD is 180. AOB is nothing but angle 2 and angle 3. Sure. I'm phone you sir. One minute now. I'm just going Am I audible now? Yeah. So try to convert all the remaining angles in terms of 2 and 3, 6 and 7. Hello? ఇవ్వగానే ఫీజు కట్టేస్తాను అమ్మా ఇవ్వగానే కట్టేస్తాను వేరే దానికి ఏం వాడినది అంతే అంతే క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానమ్మా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను సరే okay na so here in the place of angle 1 I will write angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 and in the place of 4 also I will write 3 in the place of 5 I will change 5 as 6 6 7 and 8 I will write 7 so 360 so 2 of angle 2 plus 2 of angle 3 plus 2 of angle 6 plus 2 of angle 7 is 360. So 2 of angle 2 plus angle 3 plus 2 of angle 6 plus angle 7 360. 2 of so this is nothing 2 common angle 2 plus angle 3 is nothing but angle AOD. 6 plus 7 is nothing but angle COD is 360. So angle AOB plus angle COD is 360. Okay na? Just 1 in the place of 1 you can insert 2 angle 2 and in the place of 4 you can insert angle 3. 5 you can convert into 6 and 8 also into 7. Okay na? 180 sorry 180 good 180 thank you 180 good now Next question. Go to the next question, children. Yeah. 1 plus secant theta minus tan theta by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. One plus secant theta plus tan theta. Actually, this is out of syllabus question. But children, you need to know that you have trigonometric identity problems basing on first identity only first identity. But I make you learn all the identities and solving problems using all the identities. So it is good for you, okay na? But in your syllabus you have only problems on first identity only, that is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay na? Now what is the problem given over here? 1 plus secant theta minus tan theta by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. Is equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, how to do this problem? Just secant theta minus tan theta in one bracket plus 1 in another bracket by denominator as it is. Denominator as it is. Okay. Now, secant theta plus tan theta, minus. Plus, instead of 1 you write secant square theta minus tan square theta by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. Okay na? Now, if you see this one is in the form of secant square a square minus b square. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, it is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, which you can write a plus b into a minus b. Is that right? A square minus b square, you can write it a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so I can take a minus b common na? A minus b common in total. Here a minus b and this one is a plus b into a minus b. So I can take a minus b common. What is remaining? 1 over here and here a plus b. A plus b by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. So these two get cancelled. What is remaining? Secant theta minus tan theta. So this is 1 by cos theta and this is sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta LCM 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. So the answer is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay na? Yeah. Next question. Oh. Okay, do the 30th question, children. Find the mean fast. Find the mean value fast. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, so on. You have to find out mean. Do it fast. You are doing it or not? Method was not specified, na? You can do direct method. Method was not specified, is that right? You can do direct method. Taking too much time. What is the formula? Mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. What is x? What is x? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. In a 2-digit number. Next question, children. Next question. It's a new question. It's a good question. In a 2-digit number, the digit at the units place is 5 less than the digit in tens place. Okay. 2-digit number. There is a 2-digit number. Ones place. Tens place. 2-digit number means we have ones place and tens place. And what is given? The digit in the units place is 5 less than the digit in the tens place. Okay? Okay. That means if this is x, this will be x plus 5. Is that right? The digit in the units place is 5 less than the digit in tens place. So consider the digit in the units place is x, then tens place will be 5 more than units place, means x plus 5. Then the 2-digit number will be 10 into x plus 5 plus 1 into x, that is 10x plus 50 plus x, which is 11x plus 50. This is the two-digit number. Okay, now what happened? Product of the digits is 36. Product of the digits, that means x plus 5 into x is 36. Find the number. I think you can do this problem. Make it fast. మనిషికి ఒక్కసారి చెప్తాం. అమూల్య ఎవరైనా లేట్గా చేయలేని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా వినండి. మనిషికి ఒక్కసారి చెప్తాం అంతే, కానీ మీకు చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాల్సి వస్తుంది. దాన్ని బట్టి మీరే అర్థం చేసుకోండి మీ పరిస్థితి. ఎవరికైనా మనిషి అన్న వాడికి ఒక్కసారి చెప్తాం. నో నీడ్ టు టెల్ సెకండ్ టైం. But for me, I am telling you number of times. మరి మీరు no words. మీలో ఎంతమంది మనుషులు ఉన్నారో మీకే తెలియాలి. సారీ చెప్పేస్తారు అంత ఈజీగా. సారీ అంటే క్షమించండి అని అడగటం చాలా ఈజీగా చెప్పేస్తారు, చాలా ఈజీగా. సారీ సారీ చాలా ఈజీగా. అది నోట్లో పెట్టి తిరుగుతుంటారు. సారీ సారీ సారీ, ప్రతి చిన్న విషయానికి సారీ. Yeah, x square plus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. X square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36 0. X common this day, x plus 9 minus 4 common this day, x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 9, 0. That means x is 4 or negative 9. We cannot consider negative 9. We cannot consider negative 9. We'll consider only positive 9. Positive 4. So the two-digit number will be 11 into 4 plus 50. 44 plus 50. 94. The two-digit number is 94. Easy question if you understand what is a two-digit number and how to write it. Next question. That is, using graphical method solve the following system of equations. I think you can do it. Is that right? Graphical solution you can find out now. Yes, graphical method. You need to find out the common solution using graphical method. Now see the optional exercise means 32 R question. Tara scored 40 marks in a test. getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been awarded deducted from each correct wrong answer, Tara would have scored 50 marks. Assuming Tara attempted all questions, find the total number of questions in the test. Okay? So, correct questions X, wrong questions Y. Let the number of correct answer questions is X and wrong answer is Y. So first situation, correct to 3, wrong to 1, deduction. That means 3x minus y is equal to 40. Is that right? Now second situation, 4 marks for correct and 2 marks for wrong. That means 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Now you need to solve this to find out x and y. After finding x and y, what we have to do, children? After finding x and y, what we have to do? Okay, you find out first. Good. Find out x and y fast. What is x and what is y? So correct questions 15 and wrong 5 are 3 5s are 15. 15 3 are 45 minus 540. $60 minus 10 50. Very good. Good. Next question. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. I think you do it. You can do it. Is that right? Good. And in that B question is there, na? That is I did a video on that. Question B. 33 question B. I did video on that. You can go through that video. I will send it in the class group. Okay. Next, 34th question. What is 34th question? From the top of a 45 meters high building, angle of depression of two sheets on the opposite side of it are observed 30 degrees and 60 degrees. If the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, find the distance between the ships. Okay. This is the lighthouse. Ship A, ship B. He is asking to find out this one. Okay. This depression is 60 degrees. and this depression is 30 degrees, and height of the right house is 45 meters, and he is asking to find out AB. Do it fast. Let it be Y. Children, you have to find out the distance between the two ships, X. Height of the lighthouse is given 45 meters. That means this is 30 and this is 60. Tan 60 degrees, 45 by y, root 3 is equal to 45 by y root 3 is equal to 45. You have to write the description about the figure, that is figure 1 mark, description 1 mark, don't forget that one. And tan 30 degrees, this is in triangle BCD. Now triangle ACD, tan 30, 45 by x plus y, 1 by root 3, 45 by x plus y. X plus y is 45 root 3. And from this, y is equal to 45 by root 3. So here x plus 45 by root 3 is equal to 45 root 3. Find out x, children. Root 3 value ichchada. Vankaya Moksha. Very good. Moksha, happy new year. Last night continuously 1 hour dance చేశాడు కదా. And you are wake up to 3 o'clock, 3 or 4. Naishad told me. And you are there up to 3 o'clock, eh? Had enough sleep today or not? Otherwise, tomorrow will spoil the exam. Had enough sleep or not? Everyone had enough sleep for you? All people. Good. Right. Next question. The perimeter of a certain sector of a circle of radius 5.6 meters is 220. Find the area of sector. Perimeter 20. Perimeter of sector is 20. And he is asking to find out length of the sector. First, let us understand what is perimeter of sector. R, L. So perimeter of sector is nothing but L plus 2R is 20. L plus 2R is 20. Radius 5.6 na? So L plus 2 into 5.6 is 20. L plus I think 11.2, is that right? 11.2 is 20. Then L is equal to 20 minus 11.2. How much? Length of the arc, how much? Nine point eight or 8.8? Which is right, 9.8 or 8.8? 8.8. Now, what is area of sector? Niharika? Area of sector. Area of sector. We got length of the arc 8.8. Then what is area? How can we find out area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta ఎక్కడ ఉంది మరి? No theta నా? ఒక్కడికి గుర్తులేదు. నేను ఫార్ములా కూడా చెప్పాను. We don't have sector angle here. We have length of the arc and radius only. Ritwik Singhal, at least you. How can we find the angle, right? Aghara Shyam Jitendra. ఇది ఎక్కడో పట్టింది. నిహారిక, very good, you tried somewhere. LR by 2. LR by 2. L is 8.8. R is 5.6 by 2. So new problem. Today you have learned two new problems. One is a 2-digit number problem, the other one is this one. I think case study questions you can do it on your own. Okay, no problem in that. All the three are easy only. All the three are easy only. You can do it. Yesterday, whoever absent for the school, I told you some points. Did your friends told to you or not? You are writing second pre-board exam. Second pre-board. Yesterday I told you some points how to write the paper. What I am going to do. That was told to your friends, and I asked them to explain you also, you people also. Yeah. Anyway, I'll tell you now. So don't ask first point. You have to keep last page, both sides of the answer booklet as a rough work, and you can do rough work over there only. Okay. Last page of answer booklet you can keep as a rough work, both sides. You need to keep the heading rough page and you can do the rough work over there. Okay. You will not be given any additional sheet for rough work. If I find any rough work attached, rough additional attached to the paper, I will take out 5 marks from your paper. This is first point. Second point, while answering the objective type questions, you have to give only options. Only options. Numbers kaadu, both kaadu. You have to give only options. Only options. Is that understood, children? 1A, 2C, 3D, 4B, 5A, like that. That's all. This is second point. Third point, while writing objective type questions, cancellations, rewritings are not entertained. Means, if you are writing one answer and after the cancelling and writing another answer, it will not be treated as correct answer. Is that understood? Even rewriting is also not entertained. This is the third one. Fourth one, while writing your objective in subjective questions, section B, section C, section D, don't write or don't try to strike the answers. If I find many strikes, for every strike I will take out half mark. For every strike I will take out half mark. That means you have to be cautious when you are writing your answers. You have to present the paper neatly. Strikings are not entertained. For every striking I will take out half mark. Okay. And after completing the exam, you have to strike the rough paper diagonally. After completing the exam, everyone has to strike the rough paper diagonally. Next point. Whenever answer booklet is given to you, you have to write the all information on that. Roll number, name of the exam, date of the exam, subject, class, section, everything. If I find any place empty over there, I will not correct that paper. Is that understood, children? You have to write all the information. First roll number, then name of the exam, then your name, then subject, class, section, everything, date, everything you have to write in the beginning of the exam only. Okay, na? Next one. While you are taking additionals, you have to give numbers for additionals. Give numbers for additionals in the beginning only. And after completing the exam, you have to tie your papers now. So you can tie according to the number, the additionals. If I find the additionals wrongly tied, whatever the problems in that additional will not be validated. And no marks are given for that. For example, Chiranjeevi is writing the exam. He took 4 additionals. And he gave numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And when he is trying in a hurry, he tied main sheet first, second, fourth and third. Like that he tied. Main sheet, first additional, second additional, fourth additional, and third additional. He told like that. Then whatever the problems are there in the additional 3 will not be validated. Got it? All these are not my rules. These are board exam rules only. It is not my own rules. So it is my responsibility to tell you clearly. And last point, whenever you are writing the answers, you have to give the question number, proper question number. If it is not given, answers will not be validated. Understand? And you have to complete your exam within 2 hours 45 minutes, and the last 15 minutes it is buffer time for you to recheck your answers. This is what we call ideal time. అలా కాకుండా లాస్ట్ మినిట్ వరకు ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తుంటే there is no time for you to recheck your answers. That means you have 4 minutes time to complete each question. Only 4 minutes. If any question is taking more than 4 minutes, leave that question there itself and go ahead with the next question immediately. Don't waste the time at that question only, more than 4 minutes. Okay, now? So these are the some rules that you have to follow tomorrow. Okay, now? Carry your scale, pencil, eraser, everything. Graph sheet will be given to you. Understood? And all the best and happy new year to everyone once again. Okay, all the best for tomorrow's exam. Thank you very much. Click on the like button and you can leave the class. Click on the like button, children, and leave the class. Good. Very good.